Hello guys, welcome to my AndWin Tech channel. Today I am going to show in this video how to fix Microsoft Store error, and the error code you get on the screen is 0x87E10BD0. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you are facing the Microsoft error code 0x87E10BD0, then I will show you how to fix this issue. First of all, you need to click on Start menu, then type here Settings, click on Settings. Guys, in left section you can see here Accounts, click on Accounts. In right section you can see here Email and Accounts, click on this. Guys, if you have not added a Microsoft account, you can add it from here. After adding, then try and check whether it is fixed or not. If not, then close this window. Again click on Start menu and type here Settings. Click on Settings. You can see Apps. Just click on the Apps. Click on Apps and Features. Under App List, you can see here on search box, here you type Microsoft Store. You can see here Microsoft Store. In this you can see here three dot. Just click on that. Click on Advanced option. You need to scroll down a little bit. In this you can see Reset. If this app isn't working right, we can try to repair it. The app's data won't be affected. Just click on the repair. Guys, after completion of this repair, just check whether it is fixed or not. If still it is not working, then try to reset it from here. Just click on the reset. Guys, after completion of this reset, check whether your problem is fixed or not. If still you are facing the issue, then try the third method. Just close this window. Right, just you need to right click on your Start menu. You can see here Run. Just click on the Run. Here you need to type %win_dir% and hit enter. Guys, here you need to find AU install agent. If you find AU install agent, just right click that folder and click on delete. Just right click on that AU folder and click on delete. After deleting, you need to recreate that one with the same name. You need to rename as AU install agent. After renaming it, just close this window, and once you need to restart your laptop or PC. After restarting your laptop or PC, hope your problem will be fixed. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix Microsoft Store error code 0x87E10BD0. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.